Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. Perfect. Everything here looks fine. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Both the front and back door are in good condition. Now let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Okay, the quarter panel and the wheel are in good condition. Let's have a look at the back of the SUV. I'm not seeing any scratches back here at all, and everything looks spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Okay, the quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are in excellent condition. Now the last fender and wheel. Both fender and wheel are spotless. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. Now we're going to start with the driver's seat to the back seat. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, so the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, the radio, everything here looks good. The shifter is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.